Hey everyone, in today's quick YouTube video, I wanted to show you how to change your video setting channel-wide and per video to comply with the new YouTube rules. So YouTube has rolled out a new rule where every single time you make a video, or you have to set it at channel level, that you have to comply with a new law that says if a video is made for kids or not made for kids. And I'm going to link to this video that YouTube created that walks you through some of the questions and answers that explains more what does kid mean, what does it mean if I say not made for kids, or what if I say it's made for kids. All those answers are here in this video, but I just wanted to walk you through some of the settings in order to change that, because every single YouTube creator does have to comply by this law. So let's go here on the right side and go to your menu here and go to YouTube Studio. So that's where we want to go first. And under YouTube Studio, we want to come all the way down here to Setting. And under Setting, there's a Channel tab. Go ahead and go to the Channel tab. And then under the Channel tab, go to Advanced Settings. Under Advanced Setting, this is the question we all need to answer as YouTube creators. If you've ever made a video for YouTube, you do need to change this. I believe YouTube does pick one by default for you if you don't answer, but it's recommended that you go ahead and answer one of this. So, is your videos, your channel, made for kids? Is it not made for kids? Or do you want to review individual videos? Well, I have over 600 videos on this channel, so that would take some time. But luckily, in my case, they're not made for kids, and it defines kids from anyone that's under the age of 13. So this is intended for people over 13. Do you make videos for kids under 13? Then that's you. But if you do create videos for kids, it's really gonna limit your channel. So make sure if you do choose this, that it's content that's made for kids. In my case, I'm gonna choose no. This channel is not made for kids. If you choose yes, in that video, it explains that it will limit commenting. The comment section will be gone. The end credits, the community tab, the monetization will be affected. A lot will change if you choose yes. But if you do make videos for kids, you do have to choose yes there. So I'm going to choose no, and I'm going to press save. And then I'll show you how to change this on an individual video. That's been saved. I'm going to come to the videos tab here. And on any individual video here, let me just jump into this latest video that I uploaded. And under the video detail here, let me come down here and you'll have this new audience section. Is this made for kids? No, it is not made for kids. I set this channel wide, so every time this is selected by default, but I could change this on an individual video now. So if I made 500 videos that were not made for kids and I decide to make one that is made for kids, I'll need to go ahead and change this. If they find out that you're not doing this correctly, there are obviously penalties that are going to go along with it. Again, this video from YouTube that's linked in the description is going to walk you through some of those. And when you upload a new video, you're going to also get this on the upload section. So make sure, again, you choose this based on your selection. So again, I recommend you do this at the channel level and then jump into individual videos if you need to change any of that setting. But I hope you found this quick video useful. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss a next YouTube, Instagram, and any social media update, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.